Good morning, children. Children, today we have the session of lesson reading. Okay? First, I will read the lesson. Observe the pronunciation carefully. And after watching the video, read the lesson once again. What is your lesson name? Inventions. An old proverb says, necessity is the mother of invention. If something becomes necessary, something new is invented. What made the invention of the steam engine, paper, radio, or antiseptic necessary? Could we have managed without them? Discuss in class. Maybe we could have managed, but now it is not that much easy to manage without all this, right? Because we are adopted these all things in our daily routine. Since the time early human beings invented the wheel, human beings have made slow but steady progress. There have been some ideas that have significantly changed the world, bringing drastic changes in our way of life. Early scripts. Early human beings had first learned to draw on cave walls. Then they learned to write. The earliest scripts were pictographic. The Indus script still undisappeared. The Egyptians hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphics, a kind of pictographic writing. The Mesopotamian cuneiform and the Chinese ideographic scripts are developed and came to be used by people in various parts of the world. Other scripts also developed. However, books were not common till paper and printing were invented. Counting. The concept of counting also developed ages ago. The number Sunya, that is 0, and the decimal system of calculating were invented in India. From ordinary counting to binary calculations of computers, we have come a long way. Let us have a look at some of these major inventions that have completely changed our world. Major inventions. Paper. The Chinese are credited with the invention of paper in 2nd century BCE. By 8th century BCE, the knowledge and use of paper had spread to Byzantine, that is in Turkey, and in middle 11th century to Europe. The Egyptians used to make a kind of paper from papyrus reeds that grow on the banks of the Nile. All early paper was handmade. The material used for making papers comes from wood, some kind of grass, rags, bamboo, and so on. Waste paper is also recycled and made into fresh paper. Printing press. Johannes Gutenberg 1400 to 1468. His lifespan is this. A German printer is given the credit for inventing the method of printing with movable metal type. Gutenberg had been working on his printing press from the 1430s. In 1455, he produced his first 42-line printed Bible. In Gutenberg's method, each letter was cast on a separate piece of metal and assembled by hand. We have advanced from Gutenberg's method to linotype and then to phototype setting. And now books are easily available to everyone. One of the greatest advantages of books is that the knowledge gained by one generation can be passed on to the next. If books are available easily, it will help increase literacy. Did you know? Until the 1414s, most books were copied by hand in Europe. Thus, they were rare and expensive. Gutenberg's invention made books cheaper. Steam power. Another important invention was the discovery of steam power. The earliest steam engines were used to pump out water from the mines. James Watt improved upon these engines to use steam power for running machines in many mills. George Stephenson harnessed steam power to locomotives that could pull coaches, and thus came the first railways. We have travelled a long way from those first trains to the Rajdhanis and Shatabdis and other superfast trains all over the world. Steamships and ocean liners replaced sailboats in the 19th century. Textiles. Clothing has always been a basic requirement of human beings. Cotton was known in India even to the Harappans of the Indus Valley civilization. Cotton was once always hand spun and hand woven, but both processes were time consuming. Cotton pods or balls have seeds in them that have to be removed first. Eli Whitney's invention of the cotton gin made this job easy. Then James Hargreaves invented the spinning jenny. This invention made the spinning and weaving of cotton quicker. When the Britishers came to India to trade, they sent back raw cotton to the cotton mills of England for processing. Did you know? It is said that James Watt got the idea of steam power when he saw a lid of kettle on the boil being lifted by steam. Telecommunication. Before postal services were introduced, the only means of communication was by letters, sent through personal messengers, which only the rich could afford. Telecommunication, the sending of messages through electromagnetic means such as radio waves, came much later. These new inventions include the telephone, telegraph, radio and television. Did you know? The first Russian satellite, Sputnik, was the size of a mere football. Now, the US Saturn V rocket weighs 3,000 tons when fully loaded. The rocket can carry a load of 45 tons into space. The telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell and Elisha Gray in 1876. Bell submitted his application for a patent first and hence he got the credit. Telephonic messages are sent through wires or fiber optics or radio waves. We have come a long way since the earliest phone to STD, ISD and now the cell phone with answering machine and caller identity facilities. The telegraph was invented by Samuel Morse, who thought of a method of dots and dashes to send messages through electric signals. Marconi gets the credit for the radio by which sound is transmitted by electromagnetic waves. In 1926, John Logie Baird invented the television by which picture and sound were telecast or broadcast. Now, color television, cable TV and direct to home, that is DTH, services have become very common. We are able to see events as they are happening from all over the world. This is possible by communication satellites made by human beings and stationed in outer space. Rockets. This was the last frontier conquered by human beings. Firework rockets of the kind we burn at Diwali were known to the Chinese from the 13th century and have been used in wars since then. In the 20th century, rockets that could travel by jet propulsion both in the atmosphere and in space were made. The first liquid fuel rocket was made by Horace Goddard in 1926. Intercontinental ballistic missiles, that is ICBMs, were made soon after. Later, space rockets successfully zoomed out into outer space. Viking space probes have also been sent to Mars. Computer. The principles behind the modern computer were first thought of by Charles Babbage in the 19th century. However, it was only during World War II in the 20th century that the first practical machines were built. The computer revolution came later. When IBM made its first machine, the machine was large enough to fill a room. Computers are becoming much smaller now with increased capabilities and faster speed. PCs, that is personal computers, laptops and even palm tops have been invented. Modern computers do calculations at very high speeds. You have learned earlier how the internet makes it possible to find almost any information you want. Email has made communication very fast and easy. Computers have now become a part of our everyday life. Advances in the field of medicine. Remarkable advances have been made in the field of medicine and surgery. Once upon a time, there was no way to control dreaded diseases such as smallpox. Edward Jenner discovered vaccination against smallpox. Today, vaccines effectively prevent diseases such as cholera, typhoid, polio, tetanus, and tuberculosis. Louis Pasteur discovered a vaccine to prevent rabies. He also found a way to make milk germ-free. This process is called pasteurization. Any surgery presented a great hazard in early days. Patients used to develop infections after operation and die. To solve this problem, Joseph Lister discovered the first antiseptic. Now, surgery is performed in aseptic operation theatres. Anesthetics are used to make surgery painless. Sir Alexander Fleming discovered a drug called penicillin, which can prevent the growth of bacteria and can cure many diseases. Many more antibiotics have been discovered since then. Did you know? A microchip is now so small that an ant can hold it in its mouth parts. Okay. Many instruments have been invented to help doctors and surgeons. You must all be familiar with the clinical thermometer. The doctor uses it to check our body temperature. The stethoscope is used to listen to the sounds of heartbeats and blood flowing through the lungs. Blood tests are routinely done to find out which bacteria are responsible for a disease. The microscope is very useful for this process. X-rays are taken to study bones. Ultrasound scans and magnetic resonance imaging, that is MRI, are taken to study the internal organs and tissues. All this has been possible because of inventions and discoveries. So, children, this is about our lesson. I hope you understood the pronunciation properly, and read the lesson one more time better, because it will be very helpful. Just memorize the inventions and their inventors, who invented that particular thing. Okay, if possible, years also. Okay, yes, this is about lesson reading, and we will meet in the next session. Okay.